etiefo me source bi asene me article bi na me read actual na yehu ensem na yehu se the AC no eye nekre anase nye nekre still on Abrantia na and the other still on Eric Kojodia the prime suspect and Abrantia yesu say wokobo police form unitio e wakaswa ekunwom no answer na beto aso subscribe na click notification bell on the so things are beginning to fall in place. I've seen an article so na me din kan e kire no will be a mi asotre e wo article bi so na me read em say emunsem ni na no me de abremo na bo you be a follow me post on this particular matter em say up till now no you've been informed on every single issue involved with this Abrantia. Na me shemobo say the latest on Assembly bia no me ni ediechi na the latest on Assembly bia no me de bebremo na senior article ne kono eni o say the prime suspect arrested for killing 2 MTTD policemen at Kaswa has this to say. That is Abrantia no finally wakasa senior me din kan chew no court nsema bem insensem police for investigations na we article source no chere say Abrantia ne no nsema okọ court for say wakache police for ene womo a womo ye close to no a womo edi asem na chi nti me read actual say enum nsem no me dey abroad later but me dey abroad earlier on but me read actual na chere say we Abrantia no so the side of the story say ye nia dey ka no police for the side of the story nti ne pese ye ti Abrantia na nkasa ne num nsem na article ne start this was say according to him almost every policeman in Kaswa division knows him. He has given lands to most of them and sold to some. He said he shot someone some few months back because he had money in his car boot and they attacked him, so he fired to save his life. His weapon was taken from him, but he paid 1,000 cedis and took it back. Where a story be ayate from the neighbors of Abrantia no. Say emun sensem na me the bro say Abrantia no womo a womo nim na kra womo say Abrantia no che say etuo no wakotwe pen ama wabo obi tuo pen ama police for besizi na etuo license gun a police for besizi ya what osankoji etuo no nti de article we eka and say Abrantia no say yes wabo obi tuo pen na ono Abrantia no owo sika e woni car boot e na ne pa kono e ba say wo be robe no e na wono Abrantia no we shoot ne pa kono in self defense. Into police for season netio and our police for 1,000 cedis and our koji netio in the back. Now the second paragraph was say he said his mother sold 2 plots of lands to some foreigners earlier this year. Unfortunately, that same land belonged to the late sergeant. The sergeant wanted to develop the land and realized someone was already doing so. And upon his investigations, he got to know it was the suspect's mom who sold it. Me the story when so bro say Abrantia na kra no yesi woni police ni na wobo ni tio woni trim ekun no no yesi woni police ni no ensem ewo ho in the sense say asase ho mansun bi a Abrantia na ne maame asase bi a police ni so esusu asase ne ye ne dia nti no Abrantia ne de yesi woni police ni woni omunim omo ho and I say it's the first time I will share police no ni police ni woni omunim omo ho pa nti no this second paragraph also confirms that. Now, to us, say, according to the suspect, this brought about a serious problem between his mom and the sergeant. He said he came in to make peace and promised the sergeant another piece of land, but he refused and told him he is an Ibe man and he should wait and see what would happen. According to the suspect, 2 weeks after this, his mom passed away, and anytime the sergeant sees him, he makes mockery of him. Police didn't have a trim to no your friend no say Jamesi na we you be a waya igbeni na you say Abrantia we ne maame ne say me the background of Abrantia ne maame Abramo a say ne maame so you be a wo ye osofo a wate asori kra ne maame osofo a wate asori na the air kon say Abrantia we police ni no wone ne maame na wo mo kwa asase ho ena Abrantia ni be mu no tre police ni ne say police ni mesra wo de mema wasase foforo ena police ni ka tre Abrantia ne say masa me mpene me ya igbeni na wo maame si odi enuodin ebeje me masase a wo de twen na me nko me kuro membra nti police ni ko ni kuro mba 2 weeks pepepe ena Abrantia no ne maame efiri mu nti samo be kaya me the story bi brem say embra branch no ye che no nsem a wokọ kan ye ene say police ni no ekun ne maame inti samo be ka sa story na. This particular article, the third paragraph of this is actually confirming that, right? It confirms that say indeed abranti ene ne maame ene police ni nya kasa and a police ni ne kacha ne say wo ko ni krum ba ne maame a wo ye prophetess no wo be wu ye nti obia susu say abranti ana police ni no wono ena say be we kum eye abranti ene ne maame because of the land. Now was it on that fateful day, he said when he got to the checkpoint, he stopped and gave some money to some policemen there, and as usual, they gave him fans. And also, me the story in the bro, we follow stories on this particular way. I made the bro say, "Embra, and a day now we shoot two police, you know. They see and they say we do police checkpoints, no. Now police for air man the fans, and I want my police full scar. Into your class, I was say they were giving me fans, father. He said his nickname is Father, and even the commander calls him by that. While the policemen were giving him the fans, he saw the late sergeant in his rearview mirror approaching his car. Not to say, and also made the brown say, "Embra na woma police for this car no." But who say, "Sa police ni na wo born it you know, eba ne car ne ho." I see because he didn't want any more grief from him again, he sped off, and because he had parked on the shoulders of the road, it splashed sand on them, hence the chase. Not to say, was it who say police ni the debia wo hu na the sreno. Say oh dey say me catch say woman me de no be come krom me de no come krom woman me a was here say wo ye prophetess no say wo hu say daddy bi twa dadiem eno ne nsem a abranche no na wo ka into no see the bia police ni hu na sa na wo de sreno police ni de sreno into embra wo ma police for this car a wo hu say police ni na ba no and our yes will move in a kind to movie car no na ba park wo kwan nchen the shoulder of the road into ahia wo ho it will movie car na ahia ni good police for ne ho and a police for ne supufu ya wo mo HAC no now what I say he said he made 2 turns off the highway and still the sergeant was following. When he stopped, the sergeant came down, gave him 3 punches to the face and a slap. Awal also came from behind and gave him a slap. Not just say what dodgy police for no yes what dodgy almost still or share and say na police for no edinechi. Into do baby abo who said that be idea where there's still police for no ebedinechi and ojina na police for no mienu ne see ye and abako ebe punche no eye abrante na wone no eye aibeni no e punche no na some man slap. And a wow de odi echi no wono so be born asum. That is a 2 police for air attack no. He said the civilians around know him. So they even started to attack the police while his friend by name Tola picked the pistol from the letterbox and fired a wow. The other can say, na down for your friend Tola, na what take him no. Wo hu de air person no. Na ono abrante na nkasa so. Nkrofo a wo mo area ho no, wo mu nim no. Nti wo mo clash ase wo mu di police for na tem. Sa aden na father mo ye no sa aden na mo ye father sa. Nti na down for your friend Tola no. Wo twitio and I say what fire a year a while no police need no say mobile kaya am say videos be air cover our police need you shoot no or kotena moto so or no near friend a while no. He said when the civilians heard the gunshots everyone started running including the sergeant. Tola passed the pistols to him and he changed the sergeant to the container where he had gone to take cover and fired him 4 times there. Not to say yes. Na down for na friend Tola wo bo police ni tuo na nkrofo tie na omomo area ni mu ni ahia ase wo mu dwane e na afei sergeant no eye jamesi no wone no ewo bi kan da no ono so yes wo dwane akọ eye provision shop ni mu e na Tola ni tuo no ma na ono so di sergeant ni ti ko ho no ko bo ni tuo 4 times ekun no. They sped off after the incident and abandoned the car. According to him, it was the policeman who helped him to escape and hide in Adenta. Same policeman asked him to put plaster on his face as a disguise. Now, abrante we oyobia wa landlord. Na wa landlord no yesi owo ne dan na wo no police for nkwa mienu ene team. Tinkofo susu se sa police for no kra eboa no ma ne koteteye. Eno ne nsema nkrofo edi tuja. But this is the story me source no very reliable source eden mame say a branch no nsema and the statement once the police watch wa betro statement send the statement no in some way and our control wo mu in some way and our control and no nsema nkrofo me source no eka na wo hwe asema branch we yaka ene say the dig na me anka some here personally I mean so me the brem wo say there are some similarities in the stories. But still, say ya journey case no akọ 26th of this month there ye hwe say asem no ebekwa kosi say. Mo ntire mo adwen comment box ni mo tie for me da say.